In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your HubSpot forms. We'll walk through a simple way to segment your forms list by customizing the columns you see in HubSpot. This lets you surface the exact details you care about, like submissions, conversion rate, last updated date, or the form owner, so you can scan, sort, and prioritize at a glance. Start by opening your browser, heading to your preferred search engine, and typing HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot website and log into your account. If your screen looks a little different from mine, that's okay. HubSpot updates its interface from time to time, and user permissions can also change what you see. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and look for the Marketing section. From there, select Forms. This takes you to the Forms dashboard, where all your forms are listed. Think of this page as your control center for quickly understanding performance and finding exactly what you need. At the top right of the Forms page, click the Actions button. From the drop-down, choose Edit Columns. This is where the real segmentation happens. You'll see two panels. On the left, available columns you can add. On the right, columns currently displayed in your list. To add a column, simply check the box for the field you want on the left panel. As you select items, such as submissions, views, conversion rate, or last updated, they'll appear on the right. Choose fields that match your day-to-day decisions. For example, if you're optimizing lead flow, conversion metrics and submission counts are essential. If you're coordinating with a team, form owner and last updated can help with accountability. To remove a column you don't need, click the small X next to that column on the right panel. Keep your list focused. Fewer, more meaningful columns make it easier to spot trends and outliers without scrolling. You can also rearrange the order of your columns. Click and drag a column on the right panel to move it up or down. Put your highest priority information, like conversion rate or submissions, near the left so it's visible without horizontal scrolling. When you're happy with the setup, click Apply. Your Forms dashboard will refresh to reflect your selections immediately. If something doesn't look right, just head back to Actions, open Edit Columns again, and fine-tune. A quick tip: align your column set with a specific goal, whether that's performance monitoring, content maintenance, or campaign ownership, and revisit these choices as your priorities evolve. That's it. Your forms list is now segmented in a way that works for you.